In this video, I will be showing you how to fix the Microsoft Copilot app if it is not working. Let's get started. First, I move my cursor down to the search bar on the Windows taskbar and click on it. Instead of typing, I use my voice command to enter the word Settings. Once the Settings app appears as the best match, I click on it to open the System menu. Now that the Settings window is open, I navigate over to the left-hand sidebar. I move my mouse down to the very bottom and click on Windows Update. To make sure our system has the most recent patches and fixes needed to run Copilot smoothly, I click the Check for Updates button near the top right corner. Now, I just wait while Windows searches for any available updates. This step can take a few moments depending on your network connection, so I will just let the progress bar load completely until the system confirms that we are entirely up to date. Next, I return to the left-hand menu and click on Apps. From the list of options that appear on the screen, I click on Installed Apps, so I can view everything currently installed on the computer. I take a moment to scroll down through the list until I locate the Copilot app to ensure it is present on the system. After verifying the app is there, I move back over to the left sidebar and click on Accounts. Under the Account Settings section, I click on Your Info. I just do a quick check here to make sure my Microsoft account is properly connected and synced, as this is often required for Copilot to function properly. Everything looks correct, so I close out of the Settings window to return to my desktop. Finally, to make sure all of our updates and account checks are applied, I click the Windows Start button on the taskbar. I click the power icon in the bottom right corner, and then I select Restart to reboot my computer. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.